Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change upscaling mode in Path of Exile. To change the upscaling mode, go to Options, then go to Upscale mode, and you can set it to bilinear, which is the worst one, NIS, which is the default one in my case, FSR, which I recommend highly if you don't have better ones available. Intel XeSS is kind of fine, but I wouldn't recommend that personally. And if you have NVIDIA DLSS or AMD FSR, if you have NVIDIA DLSS available, I would highly recommend that to enable that. So I would like to enable that if I had a GeForce RTX graphics card, but since I don't have one, I'll just keep it on FSR and it's still fine. It's really good. And you can also for that change max image quality depending on what you are looking for, either performance or quality. It also depends on your hardware, whether it's good or not. If it's good, you can put it on performance or even ultra performance. And if it's kind of worse, you can put it on balanced or even quality. And if your device is the best one, top-notch GPU, then you can put it on no upscale, and it should work like the best quality it possibly can. But I will put it on balanced in my case. It depends on you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.